Hello friend, welcome back to another video. So you can see this car is BMW 750 V8 twin turbo, and this car have issue about water leaking. So you can see here we already open water. You can see mark here is water coming from here, water leakage. That is, you can see we open everything here because it's offside water leakage from this packing, everything we open there. Okay, and you can see it is this one we going to replace. That is used one for car. We're going to change this one, that is, and this one is new one. We bring the new spare part. Check, that is original genuine spare part. That is this one here is part number, and that is for o-ring seal also replaced with the part. That is, so you can see it is a very hidden location. That is, sometime we not found where is water leakage, then you can see it is very hidden location. So we're going to replace. After replace, inshallah problem solved. Thank you.